What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Punisher from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page at the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now on the inside we're going to curl up the brow, coming in and then up. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the outside, we're going to step in. We're going to draw a circle going all the way around. And just pull that up toward that bottom point. And we just want to line that up on the right. And then along the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll tuck that up underneath the brow. Line that up on the right. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's go to the outside of the eyebrows. We're going to angle this up and in. And curve that in and then down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down, across, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down, draw another curve for the mouth, going up and down. Move back down in the center, draw a straight line for the lower lip. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left side of the eye, we're going to step out, curve this down, go across the chin, underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's bend the hairline, going up and in around the eyebrows. Go around and then up towards the top. Now I want to pull the hairline coming in and then down towards the center point. Let's draw the edge of the face paint across the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a wobbled line. Just drawing this all the way across towards the right side. Now from here, curve this down and then out. On the outside of the eye. Bend this down and then in. Now from here, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the chin. Let's go back to the corner of the mouth, draw a straight line coming down. Then we'll add a thick stripe in the center. Two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's move to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Start by going up, round up the ear, and then bend that in. And we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now we're going to draw the outside perimeter of the hair. Let's start on top of the ear. I'm just going to curve this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add a point, coming down and then in with a short line. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curl the hair going up towards the top. Going up and in. Bend that down. Draw another point. I'm just going to bring that up towards the center point in the middle of the head. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. So we're just going to line this up. Let's add some hair texture along the bottom edge of the hairline. Starting in the middle, we're just going to bend this out and up toward the left. Move over, just going to add a couple more. Go back to the center, curve out towards the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the inside edge of the armor. From the side of the jaw, come down and in towards the middle, and then flatten this off. Now let's go back up to the top. Just going to angle this down and out towards the side. Curve this out and then down towards the hips. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now we're going to go back up to the top, angle this up and out, angle this back in towards the side of the head. Now separate this in half. Let's add a simple skull texture in the center of the body. We're going to start over and left with a curve, going up and down, and it's up and in towards the top, then it's out and then down towards the side. Now I want to come down and in, come down and out, and it'll bend this in and then down towards the center point. Let's add in the eyes. 2 straight angled lines around the bottom of the eyes. And then we're going to split this in the middle with a straight line going up, and we'll add another line on either side. Now across the bottom, we're going to add 2 curves. Just follow the curve of the body, going across that skull. We'll draw it one more time. Now in the center, we're going to move all the way down, add a curve in between the legs. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now let's curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and then up. From the outside of the foot, we're going to curve this up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then angle this back up and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back and add a thick sole across the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. On top of the foot, we're going to add a curve to the edge of the boot. And we'll add a strap going across the top of the leg. Start with one curve, line it up on the right, step down, and draw that again. Now in the center, we're going to draw 2 angled lines from the side of the buckles. Now when we go back to the hips, we're going to draw a pouch going out, down, and then in. Line that up on the right. Let's move to the center, draw a small rectangle for the buckle. And then from the bottom corners of the buckle, we'll step up. We're going to follow the curve of the belt going out towards the hips. Now let's go to the side of the body, just up above the pouch. We're going to bend the arms going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to go around and then in. Let's add a second finger. We're going to step down, go out and back in. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm and just tuck that up underneath that strap. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve. Now on top of that thumb, we're going to draw the edge of the glove. We're going to bend this up and then out, step up and draw that again. Now we're going to move up to the top of the arm on the inside. We're going to add the sleeve, bend this up and then out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Punisher from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.